What's up, guys? This is Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our brand new 2019 Honda Pilot. This one's got the touring trim. We have a loaded interior on this Pilot. It also seats up to 7 people. Coming around to the front here, we have LED headlights wrapped around the regular headlights. So these really pop in the nighttime. We got chrome trimming on the front grille, fog lights down on bottom, and then these awesome looking two-tone alloy rims. We get black on silver. Chrome trimming across the bottom and on the door handles, as well as around the windows. Got the touring badge on the right, and then a backup camera just under that Honda Pilot badge. This one's also got back bumper sensors and an automatic power lift gate. Checking out the back here, we get a good amount of space. You can put this third row down for extra cargo space, but for the back seats we get AC vents, cup holders, and then you can put this down automatically if you tap that button. Also does come with keyless entry. Let's take a look at the interior. Alright guys, so as for the interior, we got tons of features to go through, starting with the leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, and cruise control. We also have adaptive cruise control on the right here, as well as our lane keep just below it. Paddle shifters on the back, all up on the steering wheel. Over to the left, we have our eco mode, parking sensors, collision warning, lane departure warning, and then our traction control. Front driver's seat is memory, and the front seats are powered as well. Got automatic front 2 windows. And then over here on our infotainment center, we get navigation with the touring trim. We also do get lots of options to go through. So I'll go back real quick, go to home, get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We even get this rear entertainment button. So that'll be actually a TV for these back seats. And then we got a couple more things to go through with that TV. I'll talk about that in a sec. We get our climate controls, dual zone AC in the passenger side and driver's side. We also do get vents for these back seats with controls. Back 2 seats are heated as well in this middle row. And then we get 2 headphone jacks, an HDMI port, a plug-in, and then 2 USB ports for charging. Just below that, we got the heat heater settings for the front 2 seats. And then we also do get a Blu-ray disc slot here for that TV and back. And then just below, 12-volt power outlet with a USB port for audio connection for your cell phone. And then we got a little bit of space right here. Instead of a gear shifter, we get 4 separate buttons, one for park, pull back for reverse. We also do get a neutral and drive. Snow mode, automatic engine start and stop system. And then in our console here, we have 2 sets of headphones and then a remote control for that TV. We get a removable compartment here, and then a 12-volt power outlet, USB, and aux for audio connection. We got armrests for the front 2 seats and this middle row, 2 cup holders, lots of space here. But lastly, up in front of us, we do get Homelink on the rear view mirror, as well as a moonroof just up above us. The controls will be right up in front of it. But lots of cool stuff on this interior. We have a full black leather interior. The seats are super comfortable. A really spacey car in all 3 of the rows actually. So we get lots of legroom for those back seats, second row, and it's really roomy up here in front. Overall, a really comfortable experience. Got lots of cool tech in here as well, tons of safety features. To wrap it up, guys, our Pilot is in amazing condition. It's got no scratches or dents or anything like that. Same deal on the interior, no stains, no tears in the leather seating, nothing. This car is in awesome condition. It is a one-owner vehicle, just under 16,000 miles. This one under the hood has got a 3.5 liter 6-cylinder engine, gets up to 20 miles per gallon in city, 27 on the highway, seats up to 7 people super comfortably with 3 rows of seating, seat heaters on the front seats and that middle row. We also have that rear entertainment, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can open up your own personal navigation, music apps through your cell phone. Also does come with LED headlights, alloy rims, tons of safety features. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.